best part about using B20 for me is being part of our industry and part of the solutions to the environment. Knowing that we are helping to reduce the amount of carbon and other contaminants that come out of diesel by using biodiesel. It's just rewarding to feel like you're connected to making the world a cleaner place. This is Green Grease Environmental. We recycle used cooking oil into biofuels. Every restaurant's required to dispose of their used cooking oil. We send trucks on route to collect it. We bring it back to this facility where we process it and clean it, and then we deliver it to usually a barge or a rail car to go to a refinery where it is blended into diesel the same way that ethanol goes into your unleaded fuel. I'm in business to make money, but I want to do it with some kind of ethical overlay. Green Grease, obviously, we're helping to create a cleaner burning fuel product.
Biodiesel has actually become really very important now because the whole world is looking to decarbonize and reduce our CO2 emissions to stop global warming. Because biodiesel basically can be used in pre-existing equipment, it allows a lot of opportunity to be able to use it now rather than waiting for technology to catch up later. Today's biodiesel is orders of magnitude better than what it was in the past. So when we're talking to fleet managers about using biodiesel, really it's a pretty simple proposition. It burns cleaner, it's better for the environment, and it's locally grown, and it's something that's available now.
So the biofuel industry is really primed for takeoff because it's a drop-in fuel. Our existing infrastructure and engines can adopt it instantly. The B20 that we run in our vehicles clearly reduces our diesel pollutants roughly by 20%. The things that excite me about this operation are really just the chance to make a difference in people's lives.